What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Benji. We back with another video. So, some shit just happened, and literally, I had to do this all over again. So, it's cool. I don't got no problem with it. I actually enjoy doing it. So, with that being said, we're gonna go over this again. Just going back. My markups. Why I caught this trade, why I took this trade. Pretty much. As we see in the title, we have the weekly overlook, and we have some exciting news on a token called Monero-Chan. Yeah, on Monero-Chan. Honestly, back it up. Monero, of course, the privacy coin that everybody's talking about right now. It's going fucking viral. I want to start with gold, and where I look basically for price to be going this week. The trade that I am in, I have that already marked. Change the color of that as well. Put a red on it. We still bullish, nigga. All right, so thank you all for being here tonight. Could have been anywhere else, but guess what? You are here. So with that being said, just a lot of today, a lot of the day before yesterday, a lot of the day before that, a lot of the day before that. This whole week has been a roller coaster. However, the highs that we reached on that roller coaster has been truly fucking amazing, and it's a blessing. Like I could be on a whole nother level right now, but I'm gonna keep it right here. Cause one, my throat might crack, and as you can see, it sounds a little scratchy right now, like I smoke like 50 fucking packs of cigarettes. But no, I haven't. Probably backwoods, but anywho, is not the reason. Niggas got seasonal colds and allergies right now. Don't worry about me right now. We good. As long as I'm here in front of you, breathing, achieving, we straight. We got gold. We got the mother gold. I'm gonna have to pull up Forex Trader right quick because I went over it in the last video that I made before it got as we see here, Sunday, I don't know bullshit. All I'm looking for is USD folders. We got FOMC speaks, and both of these folders are good for the currency, which is the USD. It's a slight chance that my gold may take another sell off. Currently seeing where it's at. It could possibly continue to range, or it could possibly make a new high, depending on the bullish news that we got coming out. My way, I'll get in that though. So let's back it up. Take it to my mother, cuz. I'll do that later. He basically posted what we're going to be expecting. Literally next week's schedule, which is this week that we're in right now. Monday, we have the U.S. government shutdown ends. Tuesday is the FOMC rate cut. Wednesday, we have Fed prints $1.5 trillion. Thursday, S&P 500 earnings. Friday, crypto legalization bill slide. That is so fucking bullish for crypto right now. Saturday is the terror deadlines, the biggest bull run in history. And me seeing this is where this takes my mental. One, last time Trump gave out stimulus checks, which it is right now, we had Shiba Inu make millionaires overnight, bro. That's fucking crazy. And now instead of the $1,400, we're now getting 2 bands. So you're getting an extra $600. The smart thing that he's doing is giving you an advance to invest this money into the market so that you can be successful. Like, bro, that's literally what it was. 2020. Don't play around this time. I repeat, do not play around this time. Shit is about to get crazy. Going back to Whale Watchers, of course we had a big dip in the markets. Red, 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 red. All you seen red, 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 red. Why we had all this damn red in the market? Well, this was on November 4th again. We had $2.1 billion liquidated from the cryptocurrency market. With this happening on the 4th, if we go back, pay attention, get this shit out of my way. Let's go. So Tuesday on that 4th, that night, we had this sell-off right here come out on gold. Now this money is being pumped back into the market. We have usually I have it already over on the side. I don't know if I'm tripping or not. But currently we have Ethereum back at 3,600. Solana is back at $167 after taking a huge fall all the way to $150. Bitcoin is at 105,000 after going all the way down to $98,000 per Bitcoin. That was a huge bump at the Bitcoin top 128,000, I believe. And we got XRP at $2.41, and it was recently at $3. But all these things have to come back, of course. And that's what I'm looking at right now. So with us being up 5.8% on XRP, 3.7% on Bitcoin, 5.8% on Solana, 6.7% on Ethereum. Gold is up. Well, change. It's on a 1% change right now. Still a good move. Hey, I'll take it. Yeah, it's not bad. Climbs to a 2-week high. And for the past month, literally up 1%. Past week, 1%. In the past 3 months, 20%. Past year is 50%. Year to date is 54%. Beautiful, right? So, where I'm going with this, I'm going to explain it short. This happens at the beginning of a trend. Every trend. This is my order block. This is my equilibrium. Price wick on this downside candle. Of course, this is my safety net. Price went out of it and came back into it. So I took this low with my equilibrium. Price smacked my 0.5 area, and of course we got in. No, I didn't buy down here at 39.75, 39.76. However, today when the market opened, because I didn't want to get in the trade that was closing out in the week, we entered at this 4,009, and we are currently up at 40.42. Current profit is $67 right now. We was up $71 before I had to redo this live stream, which is totally fine. I don't mind. Just a few bucks I'm gonna make, on this night. As we see, we've cleared take profit 1. Take profit 2 will be my next area of liquidity, and then 3 is another area of liquidity. But I'm still gonna be safe. The big news that we're getting into. If you go on my X page, you literally gonna see Monero. I am successful. And Monero. Here we have the dev himself of Monero. Like, untraceable. The big print is upon us. Like, they know what's coming. You'll miss nothing that is meant for you. I will not. Entry on this was 77K. And on the 8th, we was up at 5 million. It was at a 70x. Today, we reached $10 million in market capital. Just, Monero-Chan. We're back at fucking 10 million. Bro. I was supposed to get on this live screen because we knew this was about to happen. And when I say we, I'm guarded by some angels, my nigga. that just know, don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Come on, baby, don't play with it. Type shit. But my nigga, all I can say is Monero, bro. Like it's a lot of information that I can honestly give you on this that I receive myself, as far as it being mascot of privacy coin of XMR. If you don't know what XMR, of course you have to go do your research on it. XMR has reached a all-time high today of yesterday, $448 at all-time high per coin, and it's been out around for a while. Honestly, I could go more into detail, but for the most part, I'm really loving this. I have to do more research on it myself. Just like I'm telling it to you for the first time, I'm hearing about it for the first time. So I'm kind of behind on that, and I'm still digging into it, figuring out what's going on. More so, Monero-Chan created Circom-Chan, a state-of-the-art proof system and circuit compiler that supports bitwise operations as a native feature, delivering major speed gains of everyday CPUs, including mobile. It cleans your cryptographic design, has already influenced systems such as Google Identity Wallet proofs as a fully open source Rust project. Circum-Chan lets developers build production privacy applications and reuse the same circuits across major proven systems with no extra work. Not sure if that was information to you or not. You gonna hear what the fuck I say. But traditional privacy coins like Monero and Zcash protect transactions, but not computation. App logic, user data, and state transitions are still exposed. Our RISC-V privacy runtime brings domestic concerns, sharp proofs, and fast cryptographic pre-compiles into one framework. Well, if I can sum it up, it's basically a framework that allows you to make these transactions, that allows you to remain anonymous on the blockchain. Of course, people are like, well, why would you want to do that? Of course, bro, just like the government been fucking us for years, we can fuck them back, honestly. They make their money, they clean their money, they do their all different type of shit with their money that we don't know about. Why the hell they gotta know about what we do with our money? So if we can basically remain anonymous on the blockchain or in a system where we don't have to be taxed on the money that we make in crypto, because not every crypto millionaire wants to be known. Oh, this guy made $200 million in crypto. Not everybody wants to know that. Well, everybody wants somebody to know that about them. So, you know what I'm saying? Just saying that, just keeping it real. Me personally, again, I'm so bullish. It's ridiculous. On last video that I made before I had to redo this one, which is totally fine again. I said something like last year, late October, I had my first financial breakthrough in crypto. It was on a token called Memes AI. It's about an AI that basically released itself from a computing system, and it overtook the meme coin space like a virus and literally went to $115 million in market capital. I ended up making $41,000 off of that token as a 23, turning 24. Oh, I was 24. I was turning 24 years old, and literally, I just keep it buck. Had some losses with it. I spent it. I did some fucked up shit, you know, as far as not managing it correctly. And that taught me a lot. And today, we basically viewed it as a comeback for me. This is one of my biggest comebacks. And I just know from this point forward, it's going to be a totally different world for me. I'm seeing through a different lens right now, and I'm play with the boy, cause shit can't come back and bite you in the ass. But keeping it a buck from me to you. This is me, and it's a new life that's being born. So I just want to thank y'all for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see y'all on the side. Oh, I got a fucking viewer that came in. What's up? It's like, but not on the real. Anyway, again, thank y'all for tuning in. Thank you for viewing my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share my video. I did do this one time already. I had to redo my video. So if you missed the last video, I literally redid this one. You can go back through it if you want. But yeah, thanks for watching. Yeah, have a good one.